Hi everyone, this is Angus from Heritage Auto Center. Just wanted to give you a real quick update of all the things that we've done over the last year. Here at Heritage Auto, I personally want to make sure you guys are getting the very best treatment throughout the whole entire car buying experience. I want to take out all the headaches and all the stresses that come along with shopping for the right vehicle. I also want that experience to continue for the rest of your life after the sale. Our new management team takes this extremely serious. We do our very best to make sure you have a great vehicle that is priced right, it's safe, and we spend the extra time and money fixing things that most dealerships would say just leave it. Also, if there's that specific vehicle you are looking for and it isn't on our lot, I can get it for you. Just let me know. You can send me an email and I can make sure you get exactly what you're looking for at a really awesome price. Also, we have a huge service center that really does go above and beyond to make sure things are done right. And if something goes wrong, they will do everything in their power to make it right. I'm very proud of how far they've come and all of our staff here and all the changes that are affecting customers in a big positive way. If you want a no hassle and a fun experience, stop down at Heritage Auto Center in Oconto Falls at 325 Van Buren Street, and we look forward to helping you and your friends and family for the rest of your life. Have a great day, guys.